Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add kernel density estimation curve. So this is my histogram, and you see that this blue curve, this is my kernel density estimation curve, or we simply call it KDE. And KDE is a way to draw a smooth curve that shows where points are mostly packed together. Okay, or mostly packed together. It's a way to draw a smooth curve that shows where data points are mostly packed together. So this is KDE curve, okay? And it spreads each data point like a small hill and it adds them up to make a continuous shape. So in order to draw this KDE curve, we first of all have to import our NumPy and Matplotlib library. Then we are having the importation of Seaborn for the KDE plot. We're generating 1000 random values from a standard normal distribution. And then we are going to use the Seaborn library to call the histoplot function. We are having the data, we are having the number of beans, which is 30 here. And here, in order to add the KDE curve, we simply have to write this KDE equals true. So KDE will be added automatically. We're choosing the color and edge color, which is black here. Then we are having the titles. We are having the titles here. Histogram with KDE curve. We are having the x-axis title, and we are having the y-axis label. Here is the density. So in this video, we learned about kernel density estimation curve, and we learned how we can add it to our histogram. Thank you for watching.